YouTube update. Got the seats in. Put the steamer on that. It's gonna take out those little wrinkles. Back seat in. Console gonna flow on the back. Suede. That piece will be fiberglassed in. It's gonna flow. It's looking good. Keep this heat coming, y'all. Just hit that subscribe button. And for those who've been asking where I'm located, I'm in Phoenix, Arizona. 2929 East Jones. Phoenix, Arizona. 85048. Contact number 623-221-7729. It's coming. It's gonna be Monte Carlo right there. Rest in peace to one of his brothers. Rest in peace to the other brother. Dyeing these pieces all black so it'll flow. Ooh! Look how the console flow. Two cup holders, so we got people on the back. Back there, it's done. Sound audios. I put the scar tweeters in there. About 75% done. Right here. This should be carpet, so you know, like when you're in the car, most people gonna keep their feet right there. So I'm gonna carpet that. The carpet is gonna flow here on up. Let me see, I got my plexiglass right there, so it's gonna glow at the bottom. It's gonna glow all the way to this point right here. That's where we at. Everything's gonna flow. Monte Carlo. Just want to give y'all an update where we at. It's looking pretty damn good there. Say hit that subscribe button. Let me keep this heat coming. We got a lot of more projects. Got one out there. You know. We got the 6 tray. This belongs to my buddy Marcus Wheaton, played for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Yeah, do all his cars. Keep y'all posted on this one too. I say this Marcus Wheaton from the Pittsburgh Steelers. I got a 6 tray. Did a bunch of wiring for him. Battery isolator. Yeah, I got NFL players too.